Hey everyone! Welcome back to ProfitPowerhouse. Today, we're diving deep into the world of engine machining as we tackle the cylinder head of our forklift truck engine. From valve seats to vacuum tests, we'll show you how to bring an engine back to life. Whether you're a gearhead or just love seeing machines get a second chance, this is one video you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Today, we're back at classic and modern in Bracknell, continuing our forklift truck engine rebuild. Last time, we tackled the engine block, boring it out, pressing in new liners, and honing them to perfection. Now, it's time to focus on the cylinder head. LPG engines, like the one in our forklift, can be particularly hard on valves and valve seats. Worn or leaky valves can lead to power loss, smoke, and hard starts. So, we're here to make sure everything's in top shape. Let's meet Matt, our machining expert, and see what needs to be done. Matt, our machining guru, starts by inspecting the cylinder head. It's already stripped, so we can dive right into checking the valve seats and valve guides. First up, the wiggle test, a simple but effective way to check valve guide clearance. Matt pops a valve into the guide and moves it around to check for play. Thankfully, the inlet guides are in good shape, but the exhaust guides show a bit more wear due to higher temperatures. Next, we use a vacuum test to check how well the valves are sealing. By pulling a vacuum through the ports, we can see if there are any leaks. Some valves are sealing well, while others, especially on the exhaust side, are letting air through. This means we'll need to clean and recut the valve seats to ensure a perfect seal. With the inspection done, it's time to clean up the valves. We start by placing them in an ultrasonic cleaning machine to remove carbon deposits and gunk. The machine uses sound waves to loosen up the dirt, leaving the valves looking almost new. Once cleaned, we polish the valve stems using a drill and Scotch-Brite pad. This helps us measure the stems for any wear or taper. Using a micrometer, Matt checks the thickness of the stems at different points. Thankfully, they're within tolerance, so we don't need new valves, just a bit of machining to get them back in shape. Now comes the precision work, cutting the valves and valve seats. Matt uses a SERDI machine, a high-tech tool that ensures perfect alignment and accuracy. First, we cut the valves to a perfect 45-degree angle. This ensures they'll seal tightly against the valve seats. Matt explains that while lapping valves can help smooth things out, it won't fix pitting or uneven surfaces. For that, we need to recut the seats. Using the SERDI machine, Matt cuts the valve seats to match the newly machined valves. The machine floats on a bed of air, self-centering to ensure perfect alignment. It's incredible to watch as the machine removes just a few thousandths of an inch to create a flawless seal. With the valves and seats cut, it's time to reassemble the cylinder head. We start by installing new valve stem seals to prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. Next, we carefully place the valves back into the head, using assembly grease to hold the collets in place. Once everything's assembled, we perform another vacuum test to ensure the valves are sealing perfectly. Finally, we give the head a light skim to ensure it's perfectly flat. This is especially important for aluminum heads, which can warp over time. With a chamfer added to the combustion chambers to prevent pre-detonation, our cylinder head is ready to go. Now that the cylinder head is done, we're one step closer to getting our forklift truck back in action. But there's still work to do. Next up, we'll tackle the pistons and crankshaft. This project has been a great reminder of how much care and precision goes into engine rebuilding. Every step, from cleaning to machining, plays a crucial role in ensuring the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into engine machining, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ProfitPowerhouse for more incredible rebuilds and mechanical adventures. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.